Look, it's like hanging vines going down.
Hanging vines.
I made a pretzel with it.
Hadley, what is that?
Goo.
Goo?
Ooga.
Say oobleck.
Ooga. Yeah.
Who made oobleck, Ella?
Us.
Yeah, but why?
Because it's glue. It's like glue except slimier.
Yeah. What happens when you squeeze it? How's it feel?
Hard.
And then what happens? What happens when? What happens when you let it go? Is it slimy? It melts.
Can I have the spoon?
I put it up. A little spoon? Yeah, Hadley, don't do that, baby.
Can I wash my hands off?
Well, if you can wash your hands, we'll be all done. Are you ready to be done?
I'm going to wash my hands and stir it with the spoon.
Oh, okay. We'll do that. Hadley.
I want to.
Okay, give it to Ella then.
Pour it in mine.
No, okay. Let's see what happens when you pour it. It's like a liquid, huh? Had stop. You want to pour it back into yours?
Okay.
Oh.
Let's stir it up first.
Hold on.
Let's
Hold
stir
on.
it with my fingers. Let's stir it with my fingers. You want to help me stir with my fingers? Let's stir
What do you
with our
think,
fingers.
Avery?
What can I mix this in?
Yeah.